Lincoln takes courtesy to a whole new level. If your Lincoln is equipped with the Lincoln Embrace feature, there are several scenarios in which your approach detection may time out or deactivate to help conserve the life of your vehicle's battery. If you approach your locked vehicle and stand approximately 9 feet away or closer from your vehicle without opening the door for more than 25 seconds, the feature will time out and turn off the exterior lamps. If you continue to stand in the zone for more than 2.5 minutes without opening the door, the system will deactivate itself and not continue to try and connect with your key fob. Also, if you hang your keys inside your home or office door and within 9 feet of your vehicle, the system will deactivate in order to save power. Finally, if you're on vacation or have not used your vehicle for more than 5 days, the system will also deactivate. We hope we've answered your questions. For more information, please visit owner.lincoln.com.